Before the internet swallowed our attention spans, before misinformation became entertainment, one man saw it coming. Carl Sagan, the astronomer, philosopher, and cosmic poet, looked into the future and warned us of a civilization that would trade wisdom for noise. And the haunting part, he was exactly right. Carl Sagan wasn't just a scientist, he was a mirror to humanity. With 4 degrees from the University of Chicago and teaching stints at Harvard and Cornell, he carried the rare combination of intellect and humility. He believed science wasn't just about data, it was about wonder, responsibility, and the courage to question everything. In the late 70s, when Star Wars took over pop culture, Sagan went on The Tonight Show with Johnny Carson. He didn't praise the visual effects. Instead, he pointed out something few noticed: a galaxy full of white humans. He said, "Human beings are the product of Earth's unique evolution, a chain of random, impossible coincidences. To imagine other galaxies filled with humans like us, that's not science fiction, it's human ego." And then he smiled, adding that even the Wookiee, the loyal warrior who fought beside them, didn't get a medal. It was a small joke with a cosmic truth. Even our imagination can escape our prejudice. But Sagan's most chilling prediction came in 1995, the year before he died. He wrote words that now read like a prophecy for the 21st century. He said, "I have a foreboding of an America where people have lost the ability to question authority, where knowledge is replaced by feeling and superstition replaces science, where we cling to crystals and horoscopes, unable to tell what's true from what feels good. The dumbing down of America will be most visible in our media, sound bites shrinking from 30 seconds to 10. Pseudoscience celebrated, ignorance glorified." He wasn't talking about our time, but he might as well have been. Scroll through social media today. Echo chambers, conspiracy theories, the endless scroll of distraction. Sagan's foreboding isn't fiction anymore, it's our daily feed. And maybe that's why his message hits harder now than ever before, because behind his gentle voice was a desperate plea. Don't stop thinking, don't stop questioning, don't let the light of reason go out. Carl Sagan didn't just study the stars, he warned us not to lose our minds beneath them. And if his words still echo 25 years later, it means the lesson isn't over yet. If you believe curiosity is sacred and ignorance isn't bliss, hit subscribe. Let's keep the flame of wisdom alive, because as Sagan said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself.